good afternoon, and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's again Irene, and I'm back with another video. You guys, it's been almost 4 days now since my order from Jumia came in. I should go to the pickup station and get it, but then because of my son's health, I haven't been able to get it. But today things seems to be a lot brighter. Nwokoma he ate today and he has played today too, which means that he's coming around. So you guys, I'm happy. So which is why I want to quickly go now, because if it overstays, I hope they don't charge me for overstay. So I want to rush off now and go pick up the products or what I ordered and then unbox it for you guys to see. Okay? So I don't know, I'm not really sure. I might still go and get my hair cut because my hair has grown and tint it another color shade. That one is under probability. I'm not really sure about it. You guys, how do you see my face? I feel like my face over this past 1 week plus that I haven't taken care of myself because of my son. My face has just been so rough. A lot of pimples, a lot of this and that on my face. What do you guys think? Look at my face very well. So anyway, I think I'm going to do something about it today too. Okay? Yeah, anyway, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. Catch you guys later. Until then, peace. Anti-radiation one. Yeah. You guys. Wow. See what the eyeglass looks like. Look on my way to. This is not. It's not for children. Wow. Cooler. You give me back. Okay, I'm coming. Let me finish. It's not fine.
It's not fine
because it's only one that I bought. Okay, my wait,
she has mine though. She bought only one when she was supposed to buy 2 or 3. Because we are 3 content creators in this house.
You can still order another one now.
Then come and pay another money for shipment.
Still be buying another. Who is turning my camera now?
Is it not this your one call?
No comment. Okay, we'll try for it.
Fiaka. The new one. Fiaka. You want me to show myself on camera now? Fiaka.
Mommy.
And it is silent. Hey, look, when you're not happy. I don't know. Okay, I'm not going to my garage. That's we used to do. Fefe, take paracetamol and drink. Then bring water. See water, let me give you water. I like this cat, I need to get with it. I'll take it.
What will you be doing with it?
Yes, you got a name, baby. Fefe, come and take water.
Some people come out from there. Come out. I don't even know if it's people I'm unboxing or this I'm unboxing.
It's so good, I like the Jumia. Then look at how you pocket it, like ordinary small like glass.
You get your wallet on you. This one is 10 inches.
Give them back. You know the FAQS? You know the FAQS?
Let me open this stand.
Oh shit! Now we run this.
Hold on, yeah, no,
it's biscuit, so that it's biscuit.
It's not biscuit. No, but the biscuit is inside. I'll give you biscuit.
There's no biscuit. I'll not give you. There's no biscuit. Biscuit one for me.
Yeah, for one more kid, I'll back up.
Look at this.
Come on, you make my son. Take that.
Can you give it a US? That can be attached to power.
Yeah.
Why is my own? Why is it that my own don't have US? Okay, I'm not paying enough.
You're putting a USB port. Charge your phone.
And you can have you.
Wow.
That means my own should have USB port. That lady avoid.
No, your own has a senior charger than my own. My own will already be charger. You don't know what this is, you can put it in a charger phone.
Let me call her. Let
Yeah?
me call her.
Today is about to not be smart, you know. This thing is so, the way they wrap this thing is so tight. How about? Even I don't spoil the thing because I don't have this kind of patience. Woo! You guys, I think I like these glasses too.
Good evening, Jerry. Alpha. Hello. Hello, can you hear me?
I'm sweating.
You're calling and tell a banner alarm for you.
Yeah.
A lot of people have been banned from making calls. I'm telling you. Hello, sis. Good evening. Okay, it's only 10 inches on you. Then another thing I want to know, this my ring light. Is there anything like, do you have anything like power bank or something for ring lights?
But the one is still.
I told you people to please go inside.
so
Let me
this
do
one
this
must
thing.
be
But
right.
people will not listen. Inside.
But they are all 40,000. Okay, no, sorry. It's not. Like send you their account number, or you send me his number. And send me his number. Send me his number. Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
How would you?
Okay, sit on the map. Say you pick. Oh yeah. Where you go? Now the time you go to my school bag, you see, go to that school bag that's in my bag.
This is my sister's own. This what's it called? This ring light uses either power bank. Look at the charger here. You see how what the charger looks like. So you either insert it in your power bank to use it, or you put it in your charger. You have your charger and then it charges. So look at my wait, I'm coming. So as I've on the power bank now. You see, the light is showing. But then the problem now is the ring light is not on. You get? The ring light is not on. I've tried on it. This is it now. On it. Look at what it's doing. Oh, it has even stopped again. So I don't know what the problem is. There's no light now, so I'm using my power bank to try it. Maybe I'll have to wait. You see what it's doing? Come on from there. That's my the one I showed you earlier. That's my sister's one. So I'm trying to on it. Look at what it's doing. Look at what it's doing. So either I'll have to wait. If never brings light, then I'll try and do it one more time. If it doesn't on, then I think I'll have to return it. You guys, if you know any way I can return this thing, you let me know in the comment section. But if eventually it comes on, I'm still going to let you guys know in this vlog. So guys, this is me. I want to quickly update you guys that my I want to quickly update you guys that my ring light is working. There's nothing wrong with my ring light. The only thing is that it uses NEPA and it has to be charged, like it has to be plugged into the charger, which is directly plugged in the electricity. So that's if you put it in the power bank, it's not going to work. Okay. So yeah, my power bank is working. My ring light is working. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys later.